Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add a program or app in Windows 11 startup. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, I am going to open Task Manager. Now click on Startup Apps. All apps which will open at boot time or start time is enabled here. All apps that are enabled here are run at start time. Okay, now I'm going to add some app here to run at start time. Okay, now close Task Manager. I will add Firefox at startup menu. Now right click on start menu, click on run. Now type shell clone startup. Shell clone startup. Now click on OK. The program which you want to start and start type, you need to add this program in this folder. Okay. Now I'm going to open file location of Firefox. Right click on Firefox and click on open file location. And look, this is Firefox application. Right click on Firefox and now click on copy. Okay. Now close File Explorer. Now right click on empty area of startup folder and click on paste. The Firefox application is copied on startup program file. Now close File Explorer. Again, right click on taskbar and click on Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps. Look, Firefox is added here. That means Firefox is added in startup menu and it will run at start time and it is enabled. If it is disabled, just click on the program and enable from here. Look, I'm going to enable Cortana. Click Cortana. Cortana is right now disabled and click on enable. Look, Cortana is enabled. If I want to disable Cortana, just select Cortana and right click on it and click on disable. Now close Task Manager. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.